Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Steam from a laptop that you can install Steam to a laptop. We're just going to transfer the file from the laptop. You can install Steam to a laptop. You cannot install a Steam because of the admin privileges. Let's go. First of all, you need to find a laptop that you can install the Steam first. And then after it is installed, we're gonna go ahead and get the files from the laptop, and then we're gonna transfer it to this USB drive. And then we're gonna put another laptop that has admin account. Let's see. Let's close this. Okay, now it's installed. Let me go ahead and find the location. Open file location. And this is the file location. It's in program files. Let me go to program files. And right there, let me send it to where show more option. And send it to USB drive. It is taking a little bit of time because there are so many teeny tiny files right there. It's almost done. 2 minutes. It took about 17 minutes. Even though my laptop is very fast and I have the fast USB drive, it's still, oh, there are so many files. Okay, let me go ahead and take it out and put it right there. And it is over here. First of all, let me try it. And it's not gonna install because it doesn't have permission. What we need to do is, let me paste it here. Alright, our file is there. We're just gonna go and find Steam That's it. As you see, it is installed.